Good morning to all. I thank the organizer that they have given me a chance to interact with the participants. Uh, I'm totally impressed with the lecture given by Professor Yuvraj Sangrola, former Attorney General Nepal and Executive Director, Kathmandu School of Law, Nepal. Professor Supinder Kaur, Professor, Department of Laws, Punjab University. I think her thinking and my thinking is also on the same platform. I have to rewrite my speech in the last 15-20 minutes because she covered most of the things which I wanted to cover. I'm also thankful to Shri S.P. Bansal, Chancellor Gita University, Shri Nishant Bansal, Chancellor Gita University, Shri Ankush Bansal, Pro-Chancellor Gita University. And I welcome on behalf of Indian Judiciary, Dr. Abdul Sattar Abdul Rahman, Dean, Faculty of Sharia and Law, Maldives National University. And thanks to the main force behind today's seminar, Dr. Dharmendra Patel, who insisted that I be here on a holiday because it's very difficult, to take me out of my home on a day when the courts are not on. Because when the courts are on, we rush to the court 10 o'clock and be back by 8 o'clock at least every day. So today's topic is I think one of the most the topic which we should talk about. But we talk in whispers. This is what I feel. And the Gita Institute of Law has taken the lead. Thankful to the organizers. The South Asia is home to one of the world's earliest known civilizations, the Indus civilization, and today is one of the most densely populated regions on the planet. Despite a history of ethnic, linguistic, and political fragmentation, the people of the sub-region are unified by a common cultural and ethical outlook. The wealth of ancient textual literature is a major unifying factor. Music and dance, ritual customs, modes of worship, and literary ideals are similar throughout South Asia, even though the region has been divided into different political patterns through the centuries. South Asia is the world's largest populations of Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Jains, and Zoroastrians. It alone accounts for 98.47% of Hindus, 90.5% of Sikhs, and 31% of the Muslims worldwide, apart from 35 million Christians and 25 million Buddhists. Indian religions are the religions that originated in the Indian subcontinent, namely Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism, and Sikhism. The Indian religions are distinct yet share terminology, concepts, goals, and ideas, and from South Asia spread into East and Southeast Asia. Early Christianity and Islam were introduced into coastal regions of South Asia by merchants who settled among the local populations. Later, Sindh, Balochistan, and parts of Punjab region saw conquest by Arab caliphates, along with an influx of Muslims from Persia and Central Asia, which resulted in spread of Islam in parts of northwestern region of South Asia. Subsequently, under the influence of Muslim rulers of Islamic sultanates and Mughal Empire, Islam spread in South Asia. About one-third of world's Muslims are now from South Asia. India is a secular federative parliamentary republic with most populous functional democracy in the world and having world's longest written constitution. India has been stably sustaining the political system it adopted in 1950. Since the formation of its republic, abolishing British law, it has remained a democracy with civil liberties, an active Supreme Court, and a largely independent press. India leads the region in democracy index. All countries in South Asia region provide guarantee of life and security to all their citizens. This includes minorities. Sometimes religious violence in South Asia is spurred by incidents of religious offense, strengthened by colonial era laws, which Professor talked about, which make religious offenses a crime. Citizens sometimes take matters into their own hands, leading to a cycle of violence and global headlines of mob violence. If we are to break free from this cycle of violence, we must speak up for each other's right to thrive and live with safety and dignity, no matter who we are and where we live. We are taught to see every person and every aspect of the universe as equally divine, and while treating others as we would want to be treated is one of the basic principles of life inscribed in nearly every culture and religion. We are only in need of a reminder. The need to monitor incidents of hate, to engage grassroots activists, to bring in focus the need to improve the prevalent legal systems and their proper implementation on an international level has steadily grown. The law enforcement agencies need to play a proactive role against the troublemongers as they pose a major threat to peace and security of the entire society. The states must ensure that there is a reliable database for crimes motivated by intolerance and discrimination. Effective steps need to be taken to ensure that there is a reliable database, starting from providing an environment in which the victims feel safe to report their crimes to the law enforcement agencies. The state should dedicate resources for the capacity building of prosecution services and the law enforcement agencies. Both the prosecutors and the police force should be extensively trained in their relevant fields. Moreover, better and modern techniques of evidence collection and preservation should be introduced to ensure that more reliable investigative material is collected. Greater collaboration between the prosecution services and the police should also be fostered to ensure that the victims are able to pursue their cases. This seminar, organized by Center for South Asian Legal Studies of Gita Institute of Law, Panipat, Delhi NCR, in collaboration with Faculty of Sharia and Law, Maldives National University, Maldives, on the theme Crime Against Religious Minorities in South Asia, Access to Criminal Justice System and the Rule of Law, is a giant step in the right direction. My best wishes are with the organizers, and I wish this seminar a great success. Thanks and thanks.